This video will show you what to do if you keep getting this HVCI enabled error while trying to open Valorant on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. So to fix this, first head to the search menu and then type in core isolation. Now select the first result that appears. This will open the Windows security app. Here you will need to make sure that the memory integrity option is enabled. If this option is turned off, simply enable it and then restart your PC. After this, the issue should be resolved. However, if you don't see this memory integrity option or if the issue persists even after this, what you have to do is access your PC's BIOS settings. You can do this by pressing a specific key while your PC is booting up. Once you are in the BIOS menu, look for this Intel virtualization option or SVM mode option. It may be named differently depending on your PC's BIOS. Once you find this option, make sure it is enabled. Once you have done that, try to enable memory integrity again and you should no longer experience any problems while trying to launch Valorant. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.